Okay, good morning. Welcome to
Counting number 2.
Counting number 2. So we were working on some Venn diagram problems today, and I found a nice little challenge problem in our book. Instead of writing it out, because that'll take up the whole board, I'll just read it and you guys can draw it in. Okay? There are 190 people on the beach. Okay, 110 people are wearing sunglasses.
So it looks like we have sunglasses.
110.
Yep.
70 are wearing bathing suits.
So I'll make an overlap just in case. 70.
And 95 are wearing a hat.
So 95.
Everyone is wearing at least one of these items.
So there's no people outside these.
No people outside these. 30 are wearing both bathing suits and sunglasses.
Bathing suits and sunglasses, so there's 30 in this box. Or not,
Can you outline that box one more time? Just to
in
be
this
clear.
overlap.
Okay. 25 are wearing both bathing suits and a hat.
Bathing suits and 25 in this box.
Okay. And 40 are wearing both sunglasses and a hat. How many people are wearing all three items?
So in the center square, center overlap.
Yeah.
So it says there's 190 people.
Yep.
And you're going to be, you're triple counting this here. Well, let's make an equation for the number of people that we have. So, how are we going to do this? So, the spot just in this is 25 minus x.
Okay.
30 minus x. And 40 minus x. So we could add all of these up and then simplify it. Because we know this equals 190 and we might be able to figure out what x is from that.
Well, there's some people that are just wearing bathing suit, sunglasses, or a hat.
Yeah, so that's also might be a little hard to figure out, but I was thinking we could add 70 plus 110 plus 95. Then subtract this. Well, we could subtract this away once. This away once, this away once, and this away twice. Because you're counting this in all three circles.
Oh.
And you're only counting these in two of them.
That's very interesting. Very interesting approach.
Well, if we add all these up, well, we have 180 for the sunglasses and bathing suits added together. So that's 7 equals 110.
Okay.
And then plus 95. That would be 275.
Okay, so 275 total.
So 275. Then we're going to be subtracting.
So let's see, we're going to subtract 95 minus 3x, and then we have the 3 minus, maybe 95 minus 6x.
Well, let's not skip steps. So you want to subtract 30 minus x, 40 minus x, and 25 minus x. So what is that?
Oh, so that's 70 plus 25. That's 95, and then we have the 3 minus x's, so that's minus 3x.
Okay, so write that in. So 95 minus 3x. So 275 minus 95 minus 3x. Okay, and then what's the last thing you want to subtract?
Then minus, well, we have x in there.
But we have to subtract it twice.
How much? Well, that would be 2x.
Okay. Very interesting. What is that supposed to equal?
So
that's supposed to equal 190.
Maybe I'll erase the 70.
Well, that's all right. Tell you what, let's erase up here because I think it'd be good to keep the diagram together.
So we can rewrite this up here.
Yeah, so you don't have to reach through the tripod. So 190 equals, well, what's 275 minus 95?
That is,
Well,
that's one, isn't, that's, that's 100, and, that's 100 and, I think that's 180.
Okay.
And then-
180. And then how many x's do I end up
Well,
with?
plus 3x minus 2x. So that's plus x.
Plus x.
So that means, well, that means x is 10.
X is 10.
10 is x.
Okay. So that means we have 10 people in the middle.
And the question, well, wasn't it
How many people are wearing all three?
Uh-huh.
So that would, and x is in the middle, so that means it's 10.
10, okay.
That's our answer.
So let's see if this actually is a number that makes sense, and let's make sure that, for example, none of the overlaps end up being negative, okay? So maybe we can, now that we think the answer is 10, maybe let's draw up a bigger diagram. Okay, and we thought it was 10 here in the middle?
Yeah.
Okay,
So
so,
then we had,
and what were the categories?
Sunglasses, hats, and bathing suits.
Sunglasses. You put hats here or up there? Do you remember?
I think I put it down there.
I guess it doesn't really matter.
Yeah.
Okay. So it said 190 people total on the beach. Actually, you know what? Let's make this part 2. Okay.
Okay.